Okay, so today we are on our way. We're gonna go down to Monaco. Or was it up?
We're going that way.
We're going left.
We're going left to Monaco.
So we're going down to Monaco. Just because it's like the second last day that we're here.
And it's the F1 today as well.
And it's the F1, which I doubt we'll actually be able to get anywhere close to.
But I'm pretty sure we'll be able to. Yeah, we're just gonna
I'm gonna try to fly the drone. I don't know if that's gonna work. We're at the train station now. There's a train, but not our train. We're on this line platform. Well, that's what the lady said. So we've got tickets to the tickets for the train. Tickets to the train show.
There's my details if you want to hack me.
Not really. It literally doesn't say anything. Okay, hold on. Train's coming. Train's coming. Train's coming and going.
Train's coming.
Whoa.
And go.
See?
Train's coming and go.
Wait, I'm gonna do a spin. Train, 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 train. 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 Anyways, we are in Monaco now.
Yep, as you can see from the Monaco behind us.
Hey, it's English.
Coming from Grasse and going to
Coming from Grasse.
Grassy Park.
Literally,
platform A.
there's Monaco.
Stop at all the stations.
Monte Carlo, Monaco. What are you doing?
I'm posting where we are right now. Right now we are in Carta. All I know is that I was built in the late century by the green people who run the world. And it's a tribute to all people who take a kneel to people named Neil. Yes. As you can see from off above that tree, welcome back to Sports with Kyllian. On the track today, there is nothing. But it is very exciting nothing. It is very exciting to watch nothing take place in front of you. One of the most exciting nothings I've ever seen in my whole life. Hopefully today we get to see some even better nothings. But I'm pretty happy with the nothing we're seeing right now. Yeah, have a look at some nothing.
12 seconds later.
What if there's like an elevator somewhere?
I'm getting help, man.
As you can see, it's a no-fly zone for Monaco.
The whole place. So basically, the entire Monaco has been marked as a no-fly zone for drones. I guess because of the Grand Prix, because usually it's fine apparently. So
It sucks, and plus the Prince's Palace is like down the road over there, so that sucks, but okay.
aren't you just gonna jump in?
No, I'm not gonna go in the water.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Nope. Oh, my nuts! Should I jump in?
Do you want to?
Should I?
I think it's stupid, but if you want to.
No, we might as well go full in, eh? You only live once.
Just don't get lost, eh?
That's how far I'm going to be. Okay, I'm done. Look at the jellyfish are right here.
We're on a mission. Top secret mission. But we're on a mission to find the best ice cream in Monte Carlo. I know where it is. We're walking there now. But it's far. We have to get there. Right there. Super far away.
My pants won't go down because I think it shrunk on my legs. So I'm stuck like this way. So right now we're in Monte Carlo. My name is Jeremy Clarkson. These are dope cars. I know a lot about cars. That's a red Ferrari, that's a grey Audi, that's a grey something, that's a urban. It's really nice cars. We just came out of a scary elevator. Now we're gonna go look for some ice cream that we have to eat in half an hour, then try and make it back to our train, back to another country, so that we can put out our tuxes and get ready for our screening that's gonna take place in like the next 3 hours. But yeah, it's been fun. Monaco's been beautiful, and yeah. Let's see what else we can see.
This mission has been terrible.
This has been a hectic mission.
Dude, it took an hour from the last video that I took to get here, which is usually just like a 10-minute walk.
But because of the race, everything's blocked off.
Everything's blocked off and there's no bridges.
So we walked in circles basically. But we're here now.
Well, almost. Let's see.
Let's see. So
We made it.
we made it. This is the place. After much deliberation and hustling through to get through security, we got in. We're gonna get some ice cream now.
Let's hope it's good.
Let's hope it's good.
Please just be as good as I remember, please. Got it.
Got the ice cream.
Got the ice cream.
Mango and passion fruit.
I wanted to go for the chocolatey flavor like I did last time, but this way I don't expect anything.
That's nice. That's really good.
Refreshing. Success. Now we have to get to the train on time.
Oh, ship it.